So here I'm going to give you guys an example of a drawing that sort of style you could follow. So I mentioned in the last video that we can make a custom title block. So you can see down here I made my title block. I made this project for school in 2009, so I got the class, the sheet number, paper size, title, just the project. I got a logo in here. You can insert images in the sketch tab. So I made a nice custom title block. No sense having the full ANSI A title block, which I really didn't need all those fields, right, for a school project. Anyways, this is for the fork. So the layouts I picked, I've got a front right top. That's pretty much standard. Like, unless there's crazy stuff you need to show and your piece isn't symmetrical, you're really only going to need a front right and a top. It's also nice to have an isometric view with the hidden lines removed. So hidden lines removed, no dimensions on there, but fully dimensioned on these other three views. So a couple tips to keep in mind when you're working on this drawing file creation. You never want to dimension anything more than once. You never want to duplicate dimensions. So you see here I've listed all these, the diameter of this, all these pieces here. I didn't go and relist them here. Sort of just make sure everything is dimensioned once. Absolutely everything is dimensioned once, and nothing is dimensioned twice, sort of thing. That'll keep your drawings clean, readable, etc. Let's see if we got any other tips. Another one would be, let's see. I'll go through them all as we work on them, but just make sure it's readable. Dimensions are pulled far enough off the part. Like, keep things in line. I try to do that here. Keep everything in line if possible. Basically, minimize clutter. On all the circles, you're gonna want to make these guys center marks, sort of. And you can also make dashed lines where appropriate, like down a cylinder. Center marks everywhere again. Yeah, and you're going to want to keep your hidden lines viewable on the front, top, and right views. I'll go through more tips as we go, but I just want to give you guys an example of a custom title block and some general tips here. So stay tuned to the next one. We'll place some views and make our views in the next video.